In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Steam support. If you need help with your Steam account, a purchase, a game issue, or anything related to the platform, Steam makes it fairly simple to reach the right support path. The important thing is to start in the correct place so your request gets matched with the right category and solution. To begin, open Steam and look at the top menu. From there, click on Help. This is where Steam places its account assistance, troubleshooting options, and support tools. If you're not sure where to start, this menu is the best entry point because it gathers the official help resources in one place. After clicking Help, choose Steam Support. This will take you to Steam's support area, where you can either browse common problems or go directly into a more specific issue. Using the official support section is important because it helps you avoid wasting time searching through unrelated pages, and it gives you the most accurate steps based on your situation. Once you're in Steam support, select the category that best matches your issue. For example, you may see options related to games, purchases, account access, hardware, or technical problems. Try to choose the closest match rather than something general. This helps Steam guide you to more relevant troubleshooting steps or the right contact form. If your problem involves a specific game or transaction, selecting the correct category can also speed things up and reduce back and forth later. After that, just follow the instructions shown on the screen. Steam usually provides step-by-step guidance based on the issue you selected. In some cases, you may be asked to confirm details, review suggested fixes, or submit a support request. Read each page carefully before moving on, especially if Steam offers an automated solution first. Many common problems can actually be fixed right there without needing a direct reply from support. As a quick tip, make sure you explain your issue clearly if you reach a form or message box. Keep your description short, specific, and focused on what happened, when it started, and what you've already tried. That can make the process smoother and help support understand your problem faster. And that's it. To contact Steam support, go to Help. Click Steam support, choose the category that matches your issue, and then follow the instructions provided. If you found this helpful, you can use these same steps anytime you need support through Steam's official system.